Hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what I eat in a week. I need to make a disclaimer because I know there's some controversy about these videos. That's why I decided to make this video kind of like what I eat in a week slash me trying to get back on track and make a few healthier choices. So I want you to take this video as kind of a video with meal ideas for inspiration. Maybe if I wasn't filming this video, I wouldn't make these exact same meals, but I just want to make it interesting for you guys. Just eat whatever you want. Don't base your portion sizes or anything like that off of what I'm eating. Let's continue with the video. Good morning. So I just worked out and I'm gonna drink this. My mom told me that it's really healthy. She makes her own yogurt at home and this is kind of the residue water from that yogurt and it has a lot of probiotics, so it's really good for you. We're gonna try. Basically, it tastes like you're drinking yogurt in water form. Breakfast is really my favorite meal out of the day. I could eat this at any point of the day. I'm just gonna journal for a bit. So this is my lunch. I'm having some leftover wild rice, and this is kind of, I don't know how to explain this because it's a Turkish meal. It has leek, egg, and cheese, and some other things in it, but it's so good. I love this so much. Later today I have to go to work, so by the time I have dinner, it's gonna be like 10 p.m. or maybe a bit later, so I don't think I'm gonna have much. Maybe I'm just gonna have some soup because I don't want to eat too much before I go to sleep. So for lunch, I'm having this tortilla wrap with some vegan bolognese sauce. It was super quick to make. I always make this when I have a busy schedule and I just have to make something quick. I just added some cut up salad that I had already prepared in my fridge and some homemade yogurt that my mom made. So for lunch, I was really craving a salad, so I just made this big salad with some walnuts, tomatoes, olive oil, and vinaigrette. But I know that this is not gonna keep me full for long, so I have a plate of pasta and some vegan bolognese sauce. And yeah, so this is lunch.